Designing websites can be fun, but if you're using a system that makes this process difficult, it can be really painful. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 reasons why I love using the Divi theme builder. Let's get started. So the first thing that I like about using the Divi theme builder is ease of use. Let me show you what I mean. So over here, I'm on my site. I've already gone ahead and installed Divi. So let's say I want to create a brand new page. I would come over here, click on add new, and I'm going to give this page a name. Click on use theme builder. So here I have 3 options. So I can either build my pages from scratch or I can choose a pre-made layout. So if you're one of those people that want to build a website really fast, there are pre-made layouts already for us. So I'm going to click here on choose pre-made layout, and this is going to show us all the pre-made layouts, and they're listed here in categories. So if you just want to create a website really quick, it is very simple. You can just choose, let's say, a services category, and here we go. We have our services here. So let's say I need to create a design agency type website. So I'll just come over here. This is the preview of the pages. So when I click here, it will show me the preview of the blog. So as you can see, this is the home, this is the landing, and so on. So let's say I want to use this one here. I can just click use this layout, and this layout will be added onto my page. So these layouts are all tested, they're mobile friendly, which means they look great on all devices. So all I have to do now is to go in and replace all these images and the text with my own text. So as you can see, this is very simple. Let me just do one quick example for you. So let's say I come over here and I want to change this text. I can just click here on this little gear icon. And now this is where I need to change my text. So I can just paste like that, and now my text has been added. If I need to get rid of some text, I can just do that. Now let's say you want to change the font itself. All you have to do is to click here on design, text, then you can change your font to something like Poppins, and now your font has been changed. Let's say you want to change something else. Maybe you want to change this image right here. Click on this gear icon, click on column, and then you're going to go to your background. And then this is the image that you need to change. So I can just click in here and choose my own image that matches my branding. So I'm going to go with this one here, upload an image, and you can see my image has been added. Next, maybe I want to change this color right here. I'm going to save this. Now to change my color, all I have to do is to come over here to background, and this is my color right here. I can change that just like that. So as you can see, this is very easy to use. And even if you are new to web design, you can just play around with this layout and you can go in and start customizing this the way you like. Now, this is not the only way you can build your websites in Divi. You can also build your pages from scratch, and also the builder is very easy to use. Let's move on to the next reason why I love using Divi, and that is the pricing. I don't know about you, but I like lifetime deals. I like just paying for something and pretty much that's it. So here on their pricing page, there is 2 prices. There is the yearly price, which is $89. And this is for unlimited websites. So you can build as many websites as you want using this $89 per year option. You also have this $249. So the differences between these 2 price options is the lifetime access. Pretty much you pay once and you get all the updates absolutely free. So that's the one I would choose. And over here, as you can see, you can have lifetime support. You have unlimited websites you can build. So with $249, if you build a person one website, you can make your money back. And basically you have a lifetime license. And by the way, I forgot to mention this. If you buy Divi using my affiliate link, you also get a bonus from me, and that is my web design formula course, a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. Let's move on to the next item. So what we're going to talk about now is the theme builder. Now this for me is a game changer, because if you're a freelance designer, you can actually build some themes that you can sell and make money from selling those. So let me show you how it works. So over here, if you scroll all the way down here to Divi, if you click on theme builder, you notice that over here we have nothing really going on. But if you add a theme, this is going to style your website, and pretty much you can style any page on your website. So let's take a look at our page right now before we apply a theme. So over here, you can see we pretty much have a basic layout here. There isn't really any styling here. And when I go to this blog post, we take a look at it and we notice that we have this sidebar, and we also have quite a lot going on here. There isn't any style to this. This is what you get out of the box with Divi. Now let's add our theme. So what I'm going to do now is to click on these 2 arrows here like that. and I'm going to click on import, and then I'm going to add my theme. Now I've already gone ahead and created a theme, so I'm just going to drag it over here like that. Click on import theme builder. So right now, while this is importing, let's take a look at the header. So you can see here, we don't really have a header that looks amazing. And over here on the bottom, we have no footer as well. So what's going to happen now is we have now installed our header, our body, and our footer, and also a custom body on our site. So if I hit save changes and I come over here and I refresh, we now have a brand new header. I know it may seem like there isn't a big of a difference, but if you take a look here, we have social media icons. And when I scroll all the way down here, you're going to notice now that we have a footer. Now, this has just quickly happened because we've added this template on our site, which gives us our header, custom body, and custom footer. So I don't know if you've noticed this, but the text on here has also changed, and also the text on here has also changed. So this is the power of using templates. Now let's move on to the next item, and this is the support. The support you get from Elegant Themes is amazing. In fact, if we take a look at the reviews on Trustpilot, you look at that, 5.0. So this is fantastic. And this is from 13,270 reviews. So as you can see, this is really, really good. Bad is only at 1%, poor 1%, but majority of it, which is 97%, is great. So that means a lot of people really, really love this. And also bear in mind that there's over 700,000 people running Divi on their websites. Next, on your actual website, you also have the support center. So let's say something is wrong on your website and you want a Divi engineer to help you out and figure out the problem. You can just come over here to your support center, and you can actually enable remote access just by clicking here. Now you can go to chat support, and they'll be able to access your website once you've given them the token. So as you can see, these are powerful features that we have with Divi to help you work on your website and make sure that whenever you have any issues on your site, they are easily resolved. Now, while we're on the topic of support, we also have a lot of videos that show you how to use the Divi Builder. Let me show you where they are. So whenever you want to see a video, a help video, all you have to do is to come over here where you see this question mark. And when you click on it, there's a video here that explains exactly how this item works. In this case, this is your section settings. If you come over here to design, you click on layout and you scroll all the way down here. Again, you're going to see this. And this is going to give you all the tips and tutorials that you need. And these videos are pretty much throughout the builder itself. So when I come over here to this text module, again, if you notice here that we have this question mark, and when we click on it, this now gives us an introduction to the text module and so on. So the fifth reason why I love Divi is the marketplace. So this is basically a community of products that relate to Divi that you can go ahead and purchase. And the price is also really good. Now, let me show you what the marketplace looks like. So over here, you can see we have Divi extensions. We also have child themes and also Divi layouts. So as you can see here, we can go in and let's say, for example, you go to the layouts. If you click here, you can see the landing page plus, which is basically all your landing pages, and you can just purchase these at $9. So as you can see, they are very inexpensive, and this could also be another way to get up and running with your websites or even your clients' websites. So if you want to start a career as a freelance web designer, or you just want to work on your own website, this is a great resource because it has pretty much everything that you need to enhance your Divi website. So those are my 5 reasons why I love Divi. If you're a Divi user, please let me know as well why you use Divi and why you love it. So that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when new videos are released. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.